Welcome back everybody. Today I will be talking about the Chase Sapphire Preferred and whether or not you should get it. I will first be going over the amazing benefits that this card offers, then talking about my experience with the card over the last year, and then finally telling you whether or not you should get this card over its competitors. Let's jump into the video. Chase recently decided to bring back the 80,000 point sign-up bonus for this card. If you are not familiar with credit cards, 80,000 points is a lot of points. When redeemed for travel, those points are worth up to $1,000 of free travel. Previously, the Chase Sapphire Preferred only offered a 60,000 point sign-up, or equivalent to $800 of free travel, so right now you have that extra $200 incentive. Okay, Lyndon, so the sign-up bonus is great. But do the benefits of this card justify its annual fee? The annual fee for this card is $95 a year. This means that to make this card worth having over the long run, you should be able to get $95 of benefits out of it every year. Spoiler alert, you can. The Chase Sapphire Preferred gives you 2x points on travel. This means that for every $100 you spend on travel, you will get $2 back. This card is basically built for budget travelers and does not come with a foreign transaction fee. The annual fee is 5 times what the Preferred is. This makes this card's rewards look really good when you're comparing annual fees. There is a way to maximize your dining points even farther with the Preferred, and that is by going and booking your dinner or your dinner reservation through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. When you book a meal through Chase, you receive 10x points on dining. That is literally insane. That is like a 10% discount on your meal. This is a temporary offer, but if you are planning on getting this card, I would definitely take advantage of this while it lasts. Another temporary reward is 2x on groceries. This benefit ends on April 30th, so if you do not already have the card, you will probably not be able to take advantage of this offer, but Chase releases new great offers every quarter, so you'll eventually come up on something good. So there will be many great offers in the future. The Sapphire Preferred also gives you 5x points when you book through Lyft. Personally, I never use Lyft, but if you are somebody who does, this can be a great way to get some extra cash back. If you use DoorDash often, then you are in luck. The Chase Sapphire Preferred comes with a free Dash Pass membership and free service fees on orders over $12. A Dash Pass membership essentially allows you to get free delivery on all orders. So if you order out a lot, this can add up. Recently, Chase added a $60 credit towards Peloton. Now personally, I don't use Peloton, and if you don't use Peloton, then this doesn't really affect you, but if you are already a user, that's $60 you just saved right there. That's pretty good. Again, for most people this will not matter, but hey, it's nice to have. Because the Preferred is a travel credit card, it comes with some really nice travel benefits. This card offers you lost luggage reimbursement up to $3,000, so if an airline loses or damages your bags, you will be covered. You also receive travel accident insurance, baggage delay insurance, and trip delay reimbursement up to $500. So if your flight is canceled and you need a place to stay, then Chase will cover you up to $500. So $500 will cover like a hotel, some nice meals, and Chase will pay for that. These things are just nice to have when you're traveling, and it gives you peace of mind because there's less things to worry about that can go wrong. So now that we've gone over all the rewards, can I get the $95 that I'm paying in the annual fee back from the rewards? Unless you use Peloton and Lyft quite often, then probably not. However, you will most likely get enough money back in points to cover your annual fee. You will also get that 80,000 point sign-up bonus, which will cover your annual fee for 10 years over. So overall, the benefits are pretty mediocre, but not bad at all for a card that only costs $95 a year. Alright, now I'm going to tell you my personal experience owning the card and using it as my primary card for the last year. Long story short, my experience has been great. I was a bit worried about hitting my spending limit to get the 80,000 point sign-up bonus because I'm a teenager and I really don't spend that much money, but basically what I did, I just put my parents' groceries on my card and then they paid me back for those groceries, and that helped me reach my spending limit. And I was able to hit the spending limit within about 2 months. This has allowed me to get free flights pretty much anywhere that I want. For example, I could take a one-way trip to Mexico about 6 times. Using the card day to day has been a pleasure, and because of the tap technology, it has been really nice to use this card during the illness because I don't have to actually touch the card readers. I can just tap my card and it will automatically process the payment. I do not eat out much, so I've not really taken advantage of the 2x on dining, but I have put a lot of travel expenses on this card and accumulated a fair amount of points over the last year. Booking hotels and flights through the Chase travel portal has been a lot more pleasant than I originally expected that it would be. I figured they would just mark up the prices on hotels and flights because it's a pain to transfer your points to another airline, but it turns out they didn't. I actually could find way better deals on the Chase travel portal than I could pretty much anywhere else. I was really surprised that Chase even beats Google Flights prices a lot of the time. I have only had one interaction with Chase's customer service, and it was good. I'm not gonna say it was like amazing, but it definitely wasn't bad. So should you get this card? If you are planning to travel a lot or just use this card for the sign-up bonus, then yes. This card is a great budget travel card, and the sign-up bonus that you get from opening this card is way more than anything else within this price range. Comparing this card to its competitors, it still stands tall. Its closest competitor, the American Express Gold Card, gives 4x on dining, groceries, and 3x on flights. However, the annual fee on the Amex Gold Card is $250, so basically you're paying 2.5 times the price for only double the rewards. Also, the Amex Gold Card only has a sign-up bonus of 60,000 points compared to the Sapphire Preferred's 80,000. The Chase Sapphire Preferred is cheaper and better for people who are looking to travel or just have an overall versatile card that does not have an extremely high annual fee. I have no regrets on getting the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and I would recommend anybody who's looking for a good travel card to sign up now to take advantage of that 80,000 point sign-up bonus. If you are already planning to get this card and want to help support the channel, then sign up for this card using the link in my description. This gives me some points at no extra cost to you. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope it brought you some value and helped you make your decision about whether or not to get the Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you are interested in credit cards, personal finance, or investing, then I recommend you follow along with the channel by subscribing. If you have any questions about this card, make sure to leave them in the comments below and I will make sure to answer them. Thank you so much and have a great day.